package. Alright, so here's the front. There's the side. Here's the back. And then the other side. Okay. First of all, there's this manual. And then I got the cup. Here's the plug-in. Okay, here's the tail. And there's nothing left in there. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at what he looks like. So there's his eyes. You can see where the water is going to come out at. Here's the back. And his arms do move just a little bit. It's a little see-through right on those spots. 2 LEDs. And then, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go fill up this with water. Okay, I'm back with the water. So I'm gonna have to move that and that. Okay, so what you do is you have to take off the head. Okay. Then I'm gonna put it on when I hear the click. It's in. Oh no, I didn't hear no click. Guess that was the click. Now I've got to plug it in. Here's the plug-in. There's nothing on this. Then you're gonna go on and spin them around a little bit. Then you're gonna stick it in here, but not yet. You have to plug this in first, and then I put this in and I turned off the lights. Yeah. Alright. What you gotta do is you have to hold it, and then it goes, I think. Oh, there it goes. Here's the flames. It's atomic breath. See. And see, I'll turn it off now.